Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making this cute little awake asleep bear. It's a very traditional toy for little children, and they say that it helps inspire those first words of speech. So here our bear is awake, and she says, "Let's play," on her dress, and then you just flip her dress over, and you say, "Good night, little bear," and she's in her little bed. So what we'll need to make this cute little toy is, first we'll start by making the pattern with 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11 paper. You'll need some stuffing for the bear. You'll need some fleecy fabric for the bear on the outside, or you can use a teddy bear fabric, also a fuzz. You need a remnant of about 4-inch strip of fabric and a couple of other remnants, 1 piece for the blanket side and then 1 piece for the dress side. So I've chosen these 2 blue ones. You might want to have some ribbon and bows, something to decorate with, a little bit of embroidery thread to make the face, some teddy bear eyes. They come like this with a little clip, and these are nice and safe for little children. You just pop them in and you can't really pull them out. Some needle and thread, some pins, a little bit of felt to make the patch in the front if you want to write something there. And of course, a pencil and scissors and ruler. I think we've got everything. Let's get going.